Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Edge browser. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to save images in multiple file formats, whether JPEG format, PNG, or what have you, any type of format that you might think of, and successfully save into your devices without any stress. And this tutorial promises to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Edge browser or Bing site. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so welcome back to this video. Let's say, for instance, we are searching for this particular information images on Bing search or Edge browser. So what we want to do is to click on images and take us to this particular page right here under the images section. Now we find out a actual image that we want to download, and all of a sudden, by the time we right click and we click on save as, and then by the time this window pop up here, we have web page right here complete, which is not the right format we want our image to be. And how do we solve this particular problem in order to save this particular image successful onto our PC? So what we want to do is to close this tab right here. Then the next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on these three dots from the top right here. Then after click on that, this is going to pop up. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we go to extensions. Then under the extensions right here, click on Get Extension for Microsoft Edge. Click on that. And then we will be redirected to every extension or add-on that we have here in Edge browser. Here, and search for a particular extension we are looking for. So right here, I'm going to click on Save and type in Save Images. Okay, so Save Image as type. So click on here. So we have Save Images as type. So you have different extensions right here that you can simply add into your Edge browser or Bing search. So right here, I'm going to use the first one right here, which has a great number of review. So image formatter, save as JPEG or PNG. You can see different formats right here. So what we want to do is to click on this one right here, and then it's taking us right here. As at the time of making this video, 9,000 plus user, we can scroll down and see the format. So you can convert to JPEG or PNG or web page format, etc. So you can scroll down and see what people have to say about it and see more information about this particular extension. Next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there, click on Get. Then make sure you have the extension. So after you successfully added the extension, we can click on extension icon right here, and we have it right here. Image formatter save as. So I'm going to click on here to pin the extension into address bar right there. So we have it right here. So image formatter, save as JPEG, save as PNG, etc. Now we can simply go back to the image that we want to save right here. So we have this one. So I'm going to simply right click on the image, and I will click on open in a new tab. Then right here we click on here, and we have the image right here in a new tab. So we can simply right click now, and what we want to do now is to make sure we look for the extension. So right here we have image formatter save as. Right here we can choose save as PNG or JPEG or what have you. So in this tutorial I will use save as PNG, and it has simply saved. Then what we want to do is to click on save as. Then we make sure we click on save right here. So it has been successfully saved as PNG right here. So we can use this format to get as many as possible images in different formats of our choice from Edge browser. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about Edge browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.